Hi, I'm Lucy. This is our gray color wig, and the hair length is 20 inches. The hair density is 100%. And this is a full lace wig with Swiss lace and a single knot on the hairline, the base. So invisible. And the knot is invisible. So beautiful color.